Oh, you guys, you don't know me, and you tend to show it. Oh, you guys, you don't know me, and you tend to show it. It's over, babe. I walked away.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a mukbang. I'm going to be doing a Chipotle mukbang. It's literally 11:30 in the morning. And usually when you eat Chipotle this early, it's not really a vibe, but I really wanted to film this video for you guys because I need to update you guys on my life and what's going on, because you know, you guys gotta follow me on this journey and understand what's going on in my life so that you could better understand the content that I'm giving out, right? So I'm gonna be doing this little mukbang. I already got my food. I got a burrito bowl. I was gonna get a burrito, but I'm like, I want you guys to see what I actually got, you know? And with a burrito, you can't really see it, you know? You know what I'm saying? Because it's all enclosed in like a tortilla. This is what I literally always get, right? What's the first thing they ask for? Rice? I get brown rice, pinto beans, chicken, always chicken. I mean, I tried the steak before, but it was alright. You know, it wasn't that great. So I always get the chicken. I get a little bit of the green, like that green, it's like a green sauce or whatever. I get a little bit of the green and a little bit of the hot, which is the red one. And then I get corn, cheese, lettuce, and I get sour cream on the side. Now when I tell you I'm obsessed with sour cream, like I love sour cream, but I don't want them to like put it, like slap it on top, because it makes everything like all wet and stuff. I don't know if anybody else is the same. Like I don't like my food to be like all wet and stuff. So I always ask for the sour cream on the side. And yeah, I'm starving right now, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Can it focus? Okay, so that's what it looks like. Ooh, it's looking pretty tasty. I also got this drink from Chipotle. I know you guys have seen this before. It's Izzy sparkling juice, and it's in the flavor blackberry, and this is bomb. Like this is so good, so good. As you guys know, I am in school. I am a grad student going for my master's in social work, and let me tell you guys, it's so stressful. Like I'm pretty good at managing stress for the most part, but it's like really, it's like a lot of work. Like grad school is no joke, but it's bearable. Like you can get through it. Like you're literally, you can do it, but it's just a lot of work. It's stressful, you know? Now I'm very stressed out. I intern, I work, I go to school, I have 3 classes. So it's like, it literally, it gets to be a lot. And I'm in this point where I have like senioritis, and I don't want to do anything because I literally have never taken a break from school. So I think that's like the main reason too. Like I've never taken a break. So it's pretty hard. Like it's really hard. Especially when you don't take a break and you go straight. It just feels like, damn, like when am I gonna get to live my life and take a break and stuff? But my summers are pretty long too, so my summers are kind of like my break. So you know, I didn't really mind it. Like I'd rather get it over with at a young age and have my master's degree than rather wait and take years off and, you know, have a little job on the, and I'm not really making enough money that, you know, I could support myself. So I'm glad that I kind of did it and got it over with at a young age. And I'm out here. I almost got it. I almost got my master's. But it's not that bad, guys. It's really not that bad. If you're thinking about grad school, you should definitely do it. Like, you only live once. Either way, you're going to have loans. You're going to have to pay things back. You might as well put your loans towards something that's going to benefit you in the future, you know? And my plan is really to just start making money so I can put that money towards businesses, towards YouTube, towards a whole bunch of things that I would like to do. And then eventually, trust me, those loans won't even matter. Like, those loans are going to be paid off. I know for a fact that God promised me that those loans are going to be paid off. So, honey child, best believe that some way these loans are going to be paid off. That's all I'm saying. Another thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about is that, oh my god, I almost forgot about my sour cream. I love sour cream, y'all. After school, hopefully, I'm gonna be getting a new car. Because even though, you know, I love my old faithful, I love her. She has been faithful to me. She's like a little Mario Kart car. She has been very faithful to me, but I do want a new car at the end of the day. I don't know what type of car that I want. Maybe I want like a Mercedes or like a, I really don't know. Maybe like a Mercedes Benz or like a truck maybe. I could see myself driving a truck. But yeah, that's the only thing I can think of, a Mercedes. I don't really know cars like that. So maybe like a Honda Accord or like a Mercedes or something. So, yeah. I can't even finish all this. They gave me so much food, yo. I don't know if you guys know this, but I literally eat like a baby. I'm not gonna finish all this. So this mukbang might be pretty short. Yeah, so another thing that I want to talk to you guys about is that I know you guys, most of you guys have seen my music video. If you haven't seen my music video, it's going to be linked down below. It's always linked in every one of my videos. If you guys look in the description box, I always link the link to my music video. But I have been working on a gospel album. If you guys have not known, you can purchase the CD online on a website called CD Baby. I'll have it linked down below if you guys are interested in purchasing it online. Because I know a lot of people like, you know, doing things online. They don't really have CD players at home. So it's like, it'll be more beneficial for you to get it online. So I'll have that link down below. And yeah, guys, I'm super excited about this album. I worked super hard during the summer on this album. So I hope you guys really much enjoy it. I feel like it relates to a lot of people. It can relate to young, old. So if you even want to get it for like a present for like your grandma or like, you know, somebody that you know, a loved one in your family, I would really recommend it. Christmas is coming up, holidays, you know, birthdays is coming up. So definitely purchase a CD so you can share it with your loved ones. It's a really dope album. Like, it's really cool. Another thing is that we made it to 500 subscribers. 500. I'm so happy and excited that I've made it to 500 subscribers. I'm not even like kidding. Like, it may seem like it's a little bit, you know, compared to other YouTubers and stuff, but I'm really thankful for the 500 that's sticking with me, because everybody started with 500 at some point, and those 500 is what takes them to 1,000 and 10,000. You know, that one little bit of support, that group of support, can lead to higher numbers, you know, and other people supporting you. So I'm very thankful for my 500 subscribers. I really appreciate the support. Even my family and friends, they say they watch my videos, and I'm like, you guys actually watch me? Like, really? I don't know why I think that nobody's watching me, but I literally see the views, and I see you guys showing the support and showing likes and stuff, and I really appreciate that. Like, I really appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. Even if you just give the video a thumbs up, like, it makes me feel like I did what I had to do, like I did a good job on the video and on the content. So keep giving me thumbs up if you guys don't mind, because it really motivates me and it makes me, you know, it makes me feel like I'm doing something right, you know. I literally haven't even made a dent in the food, guys. Like, I literally eat like a baby. It's sad. And I'm full already. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. One more bite. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.